I just would like to quote the very famous impression made by our majority leader, Senator Joel Villanueva, that according to him, na kung itong ating flood control funds, no, pondo na dedicated to flood control, divided by the number of days in 1 year, which is 365 days, it will amount to 1 billion pesos per day government expenditure dedicated to flood control projects only. So, sa ordinaryong tao, pag ito'y kanilang narinig, ay talagang lalong-lalo na, including me, at lalong-lalo na yung mga taong kasalukuyang nabibiktima sa mga baha. Iniisip nila na sana yung 1 billion a day na yan, binigay na lang yan sa amin at kami na ang gumagawa ng flood control dito sa aming lugar para ma-mitigate yung sitwasyon na ito.